Hi, I'm Nick Cooney, founder and managing partner with Lever VC. Over the past number of years, I've invested in over 45 companies in the alternative protein space around the world, including leaders like Beyond Meats, Memphis Meats, and others. It's my real pleasure to introduce today CellX, a leading cell-cultivated meat startup based in China. As the first investor in the company through the Lever China Fund, I saw and see today the tremendous potential of CellX's founding team and of its vision of turning cellular agriculture into reality in China. I really believe that CellX is uniquely positioned to lead the development of China's cellular agriculture sector.
Thanks, Nick, for the introduction. This is Ziliang Yang from CellX. We are a cellular agriculture startup based in China, working to bring cultured meat products to the Chinese consumer. Today, I am going to walk you through 4 key things. Starting with the problem CellX is trying to fix. Next, introducing cultured meat and its benefits. Then, what is unique about us? And lastly, our plan to make it happen. Let's start on the global scale. As the world's population and economy continue to grow, meat consumption is projected to increase by 40%. However, the world simply cannot provide 40% more of animal meat because meat production is resource intensive and contributes to 18 to 30% of greenhouse gas. As a result, there is going to be a major gap between supply and demand. There is going to be a world where there is not enough meat for everybody. That gap is even greater for China. Since 2019, China has experienced a severe African swine flu. Chinese pork production dropped by almost half, and price more than doubled. As a result, China is increasingly relying on import, which is vulnerable to worsening geopolitical climate. Therefore, China needs a new source of animal meat supply. And CellX's mission is to use cultured meat to fill that gap. So what is cultured meat? First, we take animal stem cells directly from live animals. Next, we give the seed nutrients and let it multiply. Then we give the cells structure to grow upon so that they form whole cuts of meat. And finally, you have a piece of cultured meat. Beyond sustainability benefits, the biggest advantage of cultured meat is that it delivers the same meat-eating experience that consumers crave and plant-based meat cannot provide. And this is not science fiction. It is already happening around us. Israel's PM tasted cultured meat and said he cannot taste the difference. Just is already selling in Singapore, and cultured meat will be on your dinner plate within the next 3 years. So what makes us unique? First, China is the world's largest market for meat, and it has to be a local company to bring it to market in China. Second, as one of the earliest pioneers in China, we are able to leverage top-tier and cost-effective scientific labor, large capital pool, and government support. Lastly, we are a team of 8, consisting of top talents with complementary skills. The management team has proven record of successfully leading diverse teams, both in large corporate and startup settings. Scientific team has extensive expertise in many of the major verticals of cultured meat, from stem cell biology to scaffold to 3D bioprinting to food science. So far, we have made progress on all fronts. Gathered a strong team, closed our oversubscribed pre-seed financing, formed a partnership with one of the leading universities in China, and developed proprietary technologies. Here is the outline for our roadmap for scaling up production, requesting regulatory approval, and commercialization. Our goal is to make initial market launch in 2022. We are now raising $3 million to further improve product quality and unit economics, as well as scaling up production method. The future is already here. It is healthy, guilt-free, and most importantly, delicious. Welcome to the future. Thanks, and feel free to get in touch.